Daily markup for Euro USD for Monday, the 9th of October 2023. This is the daily chart. We are bearish. We've had a break of structure here, and after a break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. Waiting for at least a chalk to happen to indicate that the pullback is underway. However, I feel that probably we dip into this demand zone and then maybe we go up for the pullback to happen. So price has kind of now pulled into this not a very strong supply zone because it hasn't really led to any major break of structure. However, if you look at this supply zone, this led to the actual daily break of structure because we had a candle body close happening after this, and this is also, you could say, some kind of a flip zone because price came in here and reacted from this wick or whatever little was left over here, or maybe even in this supply zone. If we very quickly draw this, so we can see that price kind of came into this. Let me just make it a daily supply. Price kind of came into this, reacted, and then this supply actually took this entire demand zone out. So this is definitely a flip zone. It hasn't really swept liquidity, but it's a strong zone because it has led to a daily break of structure. So once price kind of pulls into this, I will be more interested in looking for shorts from here rather than from here, because this isn't really a supply zone that has led to any kind of a major break. It might be just a continuation, but we'll wait and watch what really happens. So this is as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the H4. The H4 is currently bearish. We had a break of structure over here. After that, price has kind of pulled up. We expected this to be a strong zone. Why? Because it was also a flip zone. It had flipped this demand, and this demand was also a strong zone because it had led to a break of this high structure. So therefore we were expecting this structure, this supply to be strong. But like we said, as far as the higher time frame is concerned, the daily, I'm expecting price to kind of pull into this or maybe up to these levels and then continue downwards. So yes, we'll wait and watch how things develop. Currently, even if we were to think that price is going to go down from here, so we have wicked this supply. You can see these wicks, and probably price might just go down further and take out this weak swing low. But what happens, we'll have to really wait and see. On the M15, this is where we are. Just 1 second. On the M15, we are bullish. Why are we bullish? Well, because we are facilitating the H4 pullback. So we've had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we will assume the structure to continue till it doesn't. So right now we will be looking for longs. If we just take a fib and see where we are. So we are still in the premium of this leg. This was the first news that caused this, I think last Friday. And then, this is where we are. So we're still in the premium. I would be interested in looking for longs only after we kind of breach this zone. We've come into this bit of a demand. Is this a significant demand zone? I won't read too much into it. There's no inducement. There's nothing apart from the fact that yes, okay, we came into this supply and price reacted, and then this led to the break of structure. So that's the strength of this demand zone. So maybe price, as of now, this is the weak swing high and this is the strong swing low as far as the M15 is concerned. So yes, I would be interested in looking for longs, but I need to see a strong liquidation happening in this zone to then continue forward. Also, as far as news is concerned, so today is a bank holiday, I think St. Nicholas or Saint whatever Columbus Day. So US banks are all closed. There's nothing happening. Tomorrow's also okay. Then Wednesday, Thursday, we have some major news happening. CPI. So we need to be just aware of that. But apart from that, yes, I'm going to look for longs a little cautiously, because well, we are in some kind of a daily supply, although we've not really respected the the internal H4 and the M15 zones that were there in this, and I would expect maybe price move pulls up into this more probable daily zone over here, and maybe the nested H4 and the M15, and then kind of go down. But what happens, we'll wait and see, and just kind of respond to whatever price does.